Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cold brew vanilla sweet cream. First, let's prepare the cold brew base. You'll need your favorite coarse ground coffee and filtered water. A good starting point is a 1:4 ratio of coffee to water. Allow this mixture to steep for at least 12 hours or up to 24 hours in the refrigerator for a smooth, less acidic coffee concentrate. This long steeping time extracts the rich flavors beautifully. Now let's create the star of the show, the vanilla sweet cream. You will need 3 key ingredients: heavy cream, milk, and vanilla syrup. For a standard batch, combine 1/2 cup of heavy cream with 1/4 cup of 2% milk. Then, add 3 tablespoons of your favorite vanilla syrup. This combination creates a balanced and wonderfully sweet base for your cream, ready for the next step. With all your sweet cream ingredients combined, it's time to achieve that signature frothy texture. You can use an immersion blender, a handheld milk frother, or even a whisk and some elbow grease. Mix the cream until it's light, airy, and slightly thickened. We are looking for a pourable, foamy consistency, not stiff peaks like whipped cream. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds with a frother. Finally, let's assemble your delicious cold brew vanilla sweet cream. Fill a tall glass with ice, then pour in your cold brew concentrate. Add water to dilute it to your desired strength. Typically, a 1:1 ratio of concentrate to water is ideal. Now, slowly and gently pour your freshly frothed vanilla sweet cream over the top. Watch it cascade down, creating beautiful layers. Stir lightly and enjoy your perfect homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.